The curb father here. You know what, at Little Bubba, we sell a lot of power barrows, and that's because they're the best unit in the world. They're 4-wheel drive, they hold a huge amount of material in the hopper, like at least 2 mixes of a standard mix, and with our hydraulic mixer, it'll hold a full mix in this hopper for delivery from your mixer to where the curb is going down with the curb machine. One of the great things about the Hustler is it has a chain drive, so each one of these wheels is driven by a chain, so they're connected from one end to the other, a chain on each side, chain driven, it can't go wrong, it doesn't fail, and it also has a differential, so the differential makes sure that each side can operate independently, just like your car. But Hustler 4-wheel drive power barrows, you can't beat them. It's the best you can get. LittleBubba.com.